Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gran Turismo 7. To begin your journey, familiarize yourself with the fundamental controls for driving. The game offers a wide array of race types, from circuit races to rally events, each with unique objectives. Navigate the world map to discover the many features, including the brand central and the tuning shop. Completing the initial license tests is crucial, as they serve as a comprehensive tutorial and unlock further content, guiding you through the core mechanics and advanced techniques of the game. Mastering Gran Turismo 7 involves more than just holding down the accelerator. Focus on advanced driving techniques such as trail braking, which helps maintain control while entering corners, and hitting the apex for the fastest line. In endurance races, strategic tire and fuel management becomes vital for success. Employ slipstreaming effectively behind opponents on long straights to gain a speed advantage. Consistent practice and careful adjustment of your driving line will significantly improve your lap times and overall performance. Gran Turismo 7 offers extensive car customization and tuning options to enhance your racing experience. You can acquire new vehicles from Brand Central, featuring over 300 cars, or find unique deals at the used car dealership. Head to the tuning shop to upgrade various components, from engine power to suspension stiffness, significantly impacting performance. Fine-tune settings like gear ratios, downforce, and brake balance to match your driving style and specific track conditions. Personalize your ride further with custom liveries and a wide selection of wheels. Gran Turismo 7 provides a rich variety of game modes to keep you engaged. The world circuits offer numerous racing events, from beginner cups to championship series, each with distinct requirements. Tackle various missions and special events to earn exclusive cars and credits, expanding your garage. For competitive players, Sport Mode allows you to test your skills against others globally in daily races and championship events, striving for a top ranking. Don't forget to explore Scapes, where you can photograph your favorite cars in over 2,500 real-world locations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.